Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I am so happy that you are here today because I have something so beautiful to share with you. Look at this package. This is a package of clothing, of course. That's what you've come to expect from me, right? This is actually a reseller clothing box. This is a mystery box. You know how much I love a mystery box, and yeah, that's what I am opening today. But gosh, I just want to take it in. I think this is the most beautiful package I have ever received. It is actually wrapped on the outside, and look at that. Thank you, USPS. Stay safe. I mean, this seller is just outstanding. I was actually drawn to this seller because I was watching a live video on YouTube, and this seller was commenting on the videos, and she has a very positive energy, and I found out that she was selling mystery inventory boxes. I immediately checked out her Poshmark closet and I decided to buy. This box costs $25. There will be at least 5 pieces. It could be up to 5 pounds, but at least 5 pieces of clothing that are in good condition, sellable condition. So yeah, I had no idea that I would get something this beautiful. I'm really excited about it. You can find this seller on Poshmark at Posh is My Purpose, and it will be the very first link in my video description below. And for those of you that are curious, I always leave my Poshmark closet, a link to my Poshmark closet and my Instagram in the description below. So if you are interested in checking out my closet, my Poshmark closet, or following me on Instagram, I've made it very easy for you to do so. I hope you will follow me in both of those places as well. I can't wait to get into this. Let's open it up. So underneath all that beautiful paper is a large flat rate USPS box. Let me open this. Okay, and here it is. This is the inside of the box. That's what it looks like. There's a card there, and she does send a note. It says, "Believe in yourself." Let's see. It's a watercolor card, very pretty. "Thank you so much for your purchase. It means the world to me. Stay safe and happy poshing." So that's a very nice touch. Ooh, okay. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I did order a plus size box. So let's see what she sent. I'm looking on top, and it looks like Calvin Klein jeans, and that's what the back pockets look like. So they do have a flap button on them, and these are Calvin Klein size 14, and they are in super shape. Really, really nice shape, and they appear to be a straight leg. So the jeans are in very good shape. Okay, next up is something in animal print, and this is a top in an animal print, so that is on trend. This is by the brand George Woman's Plus, and it is a size 18W, 20W. So, ooh, it looks like there's a deep V. Sexy. I like this. And looks probably a 3/4 length sleeve. And here's another, maybe top. Okay, this is Evan Picone. I don't know if you can see that. This is an extra large. This is really an unusual print. It almost looks like a beehive, honeycomb kind of vibe. And it's got like some mustard and marigold black. This is really cool. Okay, and a drape neck on it. Yeah, I like that one. All right, and then next up is, what do we have? Oh, this is No Excuses Original, size 3X. And this one is new with tags. This is a retro, modern, cause and effect fashion. That's pretty awesome. So this is denim, and this is a nice, I call these jumpers. What do you call these? It's a dress, but probably a dress better worn with something underneath it. Yeah, I have something like this by Lucky Brand or Madewell. So this is exciting. I like this. All right, and the last piece is, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. This is a denim blazer style jacket, and this is lightweight. Let's see, is there stretch in it? Can you see? I mean, there is a little bit of stretch in this, and this is by JW Style, And I didn't get size extra large. This is adorable. Okay, very, very nice. I purchased this reseller mystery box to sell everything in my Poshmark closet. And I really hope to get my money back, but you know I want to make a profit. So I'm going to recap everything, and I will, on the screen, I will put the comparable solds that I found. So you and I can both have an idea if I'm going to break even or if I'll make some profit on this. I do want to talk about my first impression. From the moment I saw this box on my doorstep, it really made me feel very happy. I feel like I just opened a gift. The presentation is absolutely beautiful. And I think probably everybody needs a little bump in their day like that. So I so appreciate that extra effort that this seller took. All of the clothing is very clean and it looks to be flawless. Now, sometimes you can't see the flaws until you get it under the lights when you start to photograph, but everything looks to be in very clean, fresh, and I mean, very, very nice condition. And it smells lovely. And you guys know I have a super sensitive nose. So the first piece that I received, and I love this piece, is JW Style, size extra large, the one button denim. It's actually denim, a real lightweight, stretchy denim blazer. So this might be my favorite piece. And the next piece is the dress with an overall vibe to it, although it's not overalls. This is definitely a dress, and this is by the brand No Excuses. Help a girl out. What would you call this style of dress? I'm going to have to research it. I'm sure I can figure it out, but it does have a little bit of an overall vibe to it, doesn't it? It's super cute, very trendy, and excited to have that one. And then we have the honeycomb top. That's what I'm going to call this top, and this... Do I have the front? Here's the front. Evan Picone, the honeycomb drape neck polyester top, very cute. And then the always on trend. Does animal print ever go out of trend? The animal print V-neck, deep V. I think this is going to be a sassy one. And the last piece is the Calvin Klein denim and straight legs, I believe. So let me see if it says a style name. No, it does not say a style name that I can see offhand, and I have a feeling I'm going to be able to sell all of these pieces in my Poshmark closet. I'm really excited to get them listed. I do want to give you just a brief update of the last two mystery boxes that I unboxed. I'm happy to say that one box has been paid for with the sale of 2 items. With the thrift stores being closed due to our current state of the world, I have very little control over the inventory that I'm able to find and list in my Poshmark closet. I do want to give a great big shout out to Lisette and Posh is My Purpose for putting these mystery boxes together, for actually sharing your death pile, sharing your inventory with those of us that might be running a little bit short. I think there might be people out there that are hoarding because none of us seem to know when this is going to end. So I am very grateful for this box of clothes. I'm really incredibly grateful for this experience. It just made my day. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video. Blessings.